Hello, this video provides a short overview of the American-made Tile Boost Shim and its usage. It's a waterproof plastic shim that can easily be scored and snapped to match up with the size of your mosaic. It is intended as both a flat filler to boost thin mosaic out to plane with thicker field tile, and as a spacer to provide vertical support to enable immediate setting of field tile above your just installed mosaic. So, here we have tiled up to the place where we want to set the mosaic tile. Typically, field tile is about 3/8 of an inch thick, and mosaic tile is half of that. So the Tile Boost Shim fills most of that difference and provides a flat surface for the mosaic tile to be set on, ensuring a flat installation. Using the Tile Boost avoids excessive mortar usage, which could easily lead to mortar oozing out of the joints and a sagging down or bulging out mosaic. Now, using the same trowel that you are using for the field tile, you apply thin-set mortar to the area where you want the mosaic tile to be. Then push the Tile Boost into the thin set. If your mosaic is 1/8 of an inch thick, push the Tile Boost approximately 3/16 past the vertical plane of the field tile. And then using a small V-notch trowel, spread thin-set along the Tile Boost shims until the holes are filled and you have a nice combed surface ready for your mosaic installation. Then, set your mosaic over the Tile Boost and gently push into place with a grout float. Use a level to make sure everything is plumb, and then you can immediately start setting the field tile above your very flat, tile-boosted accent strip. Remember, the Tile Boost boosts out the mosaic and boosts up the field tile above. This way, you can ensure a quality installation and a fast one as well. No time wasted waiting for built-up mortar to dry.